See, I think it's a very impactful 20 years, right from the beginning. So if you look at the time when he took over as the Chief Minister of Gujarat 20 years back in October, uh, Gujarat was limping back to normalcy from the Bhuj earthquake, where in December he brought out a booklet, a 30-40 page booklet as to how the reconstruction and rebuilding of Gujarat has to be done, which is a treatise. I think from there he started, and you can see that Gujarat became one of the most developed state under his stewardship. And initially, everybody knows that he had been blamed for many things, and many industry doyens refused to go to Gujarat. But then, they made a beeline to get into the Gujarat industrial scenario. And I still remember a friend of mine telling me about speed of work with which in a technopark kind of industrial park was developed in 40-45 days flat with all electricity, service connections, everything ready. And so the government, he made it know that a government can work, where generally people have a feeling that when it is a government sector, it may have its own lethargic way of doing things. But he made a drastic, impactful, practical solution for this and made it work. From there, if you look at, as a Prime Minister, he made a lot of disruptions which have positive impact on the economy, right from the Jam Trinity, which I think is one of the major disruptions which included a lot of people into the financial sector. The Jan-Dhan Aadhaar Mobile, which is a huge hit, where we never thought that, I think it's a world record of number of bank accounts opened by Indians in a week. And today we have 1.46 trillion rupees lying in that bank account. And then, he made a huge impact on the digital economy or the digital domain, where most of it was the greatest progress that a country has made, the fastest progress a country has made. So I think from Jan-Dhan to implementing the GST, that too with an end-to-end software, with economy rising, and above all, you got the national pride. As an Indian, you go, when you travel, when you feel that you are looked upon as a person from a country of a worthwhile nature. I think Modi has done great things for the Indians as a citizen. That's what I feel about his 20 years. A great journey.
What about the peculiarity or the significance of his as a Prime Minister?
I think the basic knowledge is his authoritative demeanor with which people are actually accepting his leadership, especially when you go abroad. You can see, we have seen prime ministers who are very meek and very subservient kind of thing, where you have a prime minister who has authoritatively established himself and amongst the world leaders. So, as a world leader, he has made India a lot of. It has taken him right to the top, where now our voice is heard. Number two, every Indian, the integral humanism that is being practiced or slowly being practiced. I know that there cannot be a drastic change, but the inclusiveness that has happened in India makes him stand apart from all other prime ministers who have ruled the independent India. So, and you should understand that in 20 years of his public life, there has never been a corruption charge, no scams, nothing. So he has been above everything, and he has been a saintly person who led without any selfish motive. So that is probably what you see as a difference. You don't do anything for yourself, but he has submitted himself for the nation. So I think that's the biggest character or biggest unique thing that makes him stand apart from the other prime ministers.